Revolution. This revolution started in the 1700s. In Great Britain, Jethro Tull invented the seed drill, this invention being the starting point to this revolution. In the Industrial Revolution, the work by hand was replaced by machines. This change developed new problems but also great advantages. The problems were urbanization problems in the city because large amounts of people started to migrate to the places where the factories were, looking for jobs. Another problem was that the cities weren't constructed for this great amount of people. Therefore, problems of health and hygiene developed. As advantages, we could say that in the last part of the Industrial Revolution, the quality of life grew. Also, products were made cheaper and faster. Another thing is that there was an abundance of simple jobs. Thanks to the Industrial Revolution, the need of new inventions and developments grew. Also, new scientific ideas about the elements that surrounded us arose. This revolution brought advances in science and medicine. These advances led to knowledge about the natural world and the human world. Darwin developed new ideas that many years later he published these theories in a book he titled On the Origin of the Species. Darwin's theories weren't accepted by society because it was different from the creation story in the Bible. In 1803, English chemist John Dalton developed modern atomic theory. This atomic theory says that all matter is made of atoms. Atoms are indivisible and indestructible. All atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. Compounds are formed by a combination of two or more different kinds of atoms, and a chemical reaction is a rearrangement of atoms. Modern atomic theory is a little more developed than Dalton's theory, but the essence of this still remains. In 1871, a Russian chemist arranged all the chemical elements in a table called the periodic table. The thing that is impressive about this scientist is that he left the spaces of the missing elements that were yet to be discovered and specified his characteristics. His name was Dmitry Mendeleev. Marie Curie met in France. They fell in love because they both loved science. 1898, chemist Marion Curie discovered polonium and radium.